Supreme Forex is here for you. Step 1. Simply raise a query on our website or call our helpline. Step 2. Our dedicated associate will connect you to a local branch near you. Step 3. Submit your documents and follow the guidance of our experienced currency experts. Step 4. Get your currency exchanged fast, smoothly and securely, all in accordance with RBI guidelines. With branches across India and over 25 years of trusted service, Supreme Forex has helped thousands of Indian travelers like you. Get the best rates and seamless service before your trip or once you're back and want to sell your currency. Supreme Forex, your trusted currency exchange partner.